Are you talking to your cousins?
Plus we got food.
Yes, we did. Watch out. Yeah. Mm.
Why does it sound like that?
There you go.
Come here, cow.
What?
The cows listen to cows like the sound.
Bye, cows. What is going on? You can't close it. Okay, lift it up. There we go. There you go. Hurry up, Dacia. Thank you. Everyone, come around. Whose bag is over there? I want it in the car. Noah, bag in the car.
Oh, no. Oh, these two
Salt that's in it and what your particularly there 3 more weeks. If you don't wash it and you leave it and it sits there for ages, it'll eventually put the foot in it and just rip the bit. Okay, so to maintain it, if you wash it in clean fresh water, you should be good.
Do you use soap at all?
Sort of at the end of every week.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put some simple green in because we don't know what's going on with everyone and that kills any contaminants.
It's just water, Dacia.
It's just water.
Water.
It's just water.
It's just water.
Give me a water bottle, please.
See the rain in there.
I need
Hey,
a
where
water
is she?
I need a water bottle. Now, look. What is it? We saw look.
I know, yes. Shaking everywhere.
I'll do one mask and then you can rinse it and bring the
Rinse the next mask. Who's risking the next mask?
Go wash a mask and then hang it up.
Wash a mask. Focus.
Okay, now.
Excuse me.
He caught a fly mid-air. Flynn.
Yeah, keep going. Wash
Come on,
it.
let's go. Who's washing the next one?
Hang it up.
Yes.
Just like that.
I'm him.
I'd like you to wash your goggle mid-air.
Push it down into
Push
the
it there.
water.
You actually have to give it a good rinse. There you go. With both hands, not one.
I got wetsuit.
Is it cold?
Yeah, but
Yes, Noah. It's cold water.
Cool. You got a hood, Chief. So grab that hood once it's all done. Yeah, grab it out. And I'll tell you what to do with that.
Hey, can we focus on what you're meant to be doing?
Wait, man, drop one in.
All right, who's rinsing here?
Alright, keep washing off. whatever's
Keep
in
washing.
there.
Sonny, get in there, please. Yeah, there's this one here as well. You all don't have to be in the same spot. Spread out a bit.
Once that bucket's full, someone can turn the hose off around the corner.
This one.
Cool, you got a boot.
You, hands in. Come on. Hands on deck. Throw that fly away.
Filled it.
Get in.
And then you got to find its twin, okay? Yeah, so you got to find its twin. So put it over here. And then go and find its other one.
Noah's boot.
Cool. So just find a spot for it like that. Oh yeah, you got it. Brilliant. So there, together.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I know.
That's it.
So then I'd like you to get your hand in there. Pick a spot. Over there.
Is our hose turned off?
Yeah, grab one. Okay, who's turning it off?
I have to leave.
Emmanuel will do it. All
Around
right.
the corner, you lift the lever up, I think. Put it in a bucket, otherwise we're just going to be walking through water.
Yeah, you're wasting water. Let's keep it all in the bucket, shall we? There we go. All right, put the hose aside.
Okay.
Flynn, get your hand in there. Yeah, rinse one in that bucket right in front of you. Pick one item, rinse it, and then take it across. Yeah, one item, both hands, not one. Both hands. You need to use two hands.
Find the mate to that one.
Yeah, rinse, rinse, rinse. Put it back in. You have to put it in. Yeah, you're rinsing it. Yeah. Shake it in and out, in and out. That's right. Give it a wash. You put it in the water. There you go. Both hands. Noah, two hands. Two hands. Come on. There you go. Excellent. Two hands.
The rubber feels so nice.
What?
Rubber is just cool.
So
Nice
once,
one. Good.
If you're on wetsuits, let me know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this goes in here like that, and then hang it on that bar over there.
Can you reach it?
Yeah, okay.
Eh? Perfect. Are they twins?
Yes.
All right, cool. So the twins? Twins go on there. Nice, nice. All right, Noah, how are we doing? Have you taken one wetsuit? All right, good. Now,
Take it out.
both hands and then bring it out and then go and hang it up. It's not, no. We're not washing the dirt. We're washing the salt out. Well done. That's good. Yeah, and then we'll give you a coat hanger. Sonny, is there a coat hanger somewhere?
So you guys have got your suits, eh? So we'll hang your suits over the fence.
Hold it up. Hold it up. Not on the ground. There you go. Okay, next item. Go. Good.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
I got a mask. The twin for the boot.
Excellent.
Come on, let's go. No. Next one.
On that pole up.
Flint, hands in, please. Hands in. Grab the next item off the floor. Rinse. We're rinsing salt, not dirt.
Have we even seen these two?
We are. Yes, everything.
Everything that's here we run.
Everything is here. That's what you're rinsing. Menya, why not try that one in this one?
So we went to Moses?
Don't rinse Moses.
Well, I went to him. Oh, he's so
I will have a shower. I will have a shower and then you can rinse me then.
What about Luke?
Noah, rinse this one. Get you to rinse the shoe. Yeah. Rinse this one. These two. They're twins.
Who's the twin of this?
I think it's probably already gone up. So try and find the twin of that one. All right, rinse. Good. All right, find it. Yeah, now go ahead and hang it up.
Let me just...
Good.
Good. Up there. Yeah.
Austin, bro, stop throwing
There's
stuff at
nothing
me.
more, nothing
Okay, so I
else in
think
here.
these are your suits now. So your suit will turn inside whatever and just hang it over that fence there, you know?
Where's my blue?
Some of you brought your own wetsuit, didn't you?
I just.
Okay.
Can I wash mine?
Yeah.
No, but wait, mine's a torpedo. Here it is. Torpedo. Oh, torpedo.
All right, Flynn, that one, please.
Yours.
That one there. Yep. Put it in any of the buckets. Just pull that one. There we go.
It's
I need
so...
to turn mine inside
It's a
out.
washing machine. We are the
Squishy.
washing machine.
Let's take that out. It looks weird.
You look
There you
beautiful.
Come on, old people. We're not done. Come on. Sitting is not going to make it happen. You actually have to make it happen. Come on. Let's go.
Look out. Oh, look at mine.
What is?
It's turning into a washing machine.
It's a suit.
No, I'll just. Put it in, put it in, put
Use
it
it
in.
all the way.
Just put it all in.
I used a provided
Stop
wetsuit.
moving, stop talking.
Can you put Noah's things in his bag and put it in the car, please?
Yeah.
Well done, Noah. See, it wasn't that bad at all. Hey.
We're being a washing machine. We are the washing machine. We be the washing machine. We are the washing machine.
So
Dad,
weird.
Washing machine. Oh, Moses. This is my bag. So squishy.
So weird. All right, that's the last item, isn't it?
Can I do a back foot now?
No.
Do it anyway.
Let's finish what we're here to do first. Priorities, yes? Priorities.
Oh, I'm in my stomach.
Moses,
Yes.
how did I catch a fly mid-air?
I don't know. You tell me. You are Mr.
I'm
Miyagi.
that guy.
You are Mr. Miyagi.
Moses,
What
say
are you
that I-
doing?
Moses, point
Want any more boots anywhere?
the camera at me and say that I am that guy.
You're that guy.
Yes. We the washing machine. Moses, come with the washing machine.
It's ridiculous.
Bro, there's nothing else.